Let me ask you something. How many times have you come up with an idea that made you feel genuinely excited? Like this could be the one that changes everything. You start imagining all the ways it could work, all the people it could impact, and then dun dun dun, nothing happens. That idea just sits there, gathering dust. Look, I get it, and I've been there myself. So today, we're gonna explore exactly why that happens, why great ideas often don't make it past the starting line, and how you can bridge that gap between dreaming and doing. So if you're ready to stop letting those amazing ideas slip away and start turning them into reality, stick with me. Hi, I'm Jen Kem, the founder of the Master Brand Institute, and here we guide founders, experts, thought leaders, and entrepreneurs to build wildly profitable personal brands from the inside out, using the power of team, identity, messaging, and experiences. In today's video, I'm going to share with you why great ideas often fail to become reality and what you need to do differently to bring those ideas to life. Let's talk about why what I'm about to share with you is different from a lot of other pieces of advice out there. Here's the thing: hustle harder and stay disciplined and just push through. And while there's some truth in working hard or at least putting effort in, it's not the full story. Because there's a deeper reason why great ideas don't make it out of our heads and into the real world. And it's not just about motivation or willpower. What I'm about to share is different because it's not just simply about pushing yourself harder, it's about understanding what's actually holding you back, whether it's clarity, systems, or having the right support in place. This is about getting real with ourselves and addressing those obstacles so we can move forward confidently. So here are 3 reasons why most great ideas fail to materialize. These are the big 3 that hold us back. The first is lack of clarity. You have this great idea, but if you don't take the time to really define it, what it looks like when it's successful, who it's for, how it's going to work, it starts to fade away. And without clarity, even the best ideas feel overwhelming. You need to be able to answer, what does success look like for this idea? Who are you helping and why does it matter? The next piece is you might be missing structure and systems. I can't tell you how many times I've seen amazing ideas fall apart because there wasn't a plan to back them up. We get caught up in the excitement of inspiration, but forget without a solid game plan, we can't make it happen. And that means breaking your idea down in manageable steps, figuring out the how in addition to the what. And let me tell you, when people say to me, oh my gosh, Jen, you're able to get things to market or to the world faster than most people, I tell people I'm actually an incredibly unorganized person with a lot of big ideas. And it's the systems and structure piece that actually have made the biggest difference. And adding the third thing is trying not to do it all alone. I know that as leaders, we often feel like we have to carry every piece of the puzzle ourselves. But here's the truth, great ideas need a team. They need people who can support you, hold you accountable, and bring their own strengths to the table. And when you try to take on everything by yourself, you risk not just burnout, but you also let that idea die. And nobody wants that. So, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up so we can help more entrepreneurs and leaders like you close the gap between ideas and actually making them come true. And before you go, I'd love for you to take our Brand Archetype quiz, which is linked in the description below. It's a fantastic way to understand how your unique brand identity can help you overcome those common obstacles and finally bring your ideas to life. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you build the wealth, power, and leadership you're meant to bring to the world. Until next time.